Hello everyone! Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel, Farm TV Realty Lopez. This is Luis, one of your site locators today. Ngayong araw ay nandito tayo sa bayan ng Katanawan, Quezon. Meron tayong isa site ng property na may sukat or lawak na 2.3 hectares o hektarya. Ang property mula sa National Road, may mga nasa 2 kilometers ang layo. Let's say, between 2 kilometers to 2.5 kilometers ang layo. Ang property is, ito na mismo, dyan magsa-start yung property. May mohon na dyan. Bale, walang frontage yung property. Ang sabi is, if ever na mabili to, bibigyan ng 5 meters na right of way yung pinaka-property. And wala naman na daw problema dun sa pinag-hingian ng right of way. But I think pag nag-widening naman na dito, parang magkakaroon na rin ng daan dito. So, anyway, ito mismo yung Barangay Road. Yan, as you can see naman, hindi siya cemented, lupa siya. Pero hindi naman siya lang yung rocky road. Hindi siya yung bako-bako or something like that. Yan. So, from, pag diniretso naman itong kalsada na to, is may mga beach resort din doon. So, katulad nung sa isang property kanina na nauna dito sa property na vlog ko ngayon. Ayun. Same lang na malapit yung resort since halos magkatabi lang din naman. Okay, so again, dito yung start ng property. Andyan yung mohon. So bali papatusok yung property mula dyan. Papaganon yung property. Ang puno dito ng niyog is mga nasa more or less 300. So tara, tignan natin yung property. Cute. Bata pa. I think this is Guyabano. Yeah, Guyabano. And that is mango tree. Meron din daw ditong kakao yata or langka. Okay. Alright. So as you can see, meron na siyang bakod. Oops. Wait. Lapit lang ako ng konti para maipakita. Ayan. I think it's visible naman sa camera. Meron na siyang bakod sa part nito. Doon din sa kabilang part, I think, meron na ring bakod. So, right now, ganyan yung itsura ng mga niyog. I think mga bata pa sila. So, medyo malaliit pa sila. Hindi pa rin naman harvest season. May puno ng buli. Okay. Ito, maraming bunga to. But then again, maliliit pa sila since, ayun nga, hindi pa naman like harvest season. I think one of the advantages of this property then, same lang nung kanina is, malapit nga sa beaches. So if you are, if you feel like swimming or, relaxing on a beach, maraming mga beach resorts dito. Yeah, so from here hanggang sa town proper ng Katanawan is mga nasa 16 kilometers yung layo. And ito ay puno ng kakao. Another mango tree. Another cacao. Langka. There. This is cacao din. Wow, it's hot today. Scorching hot today. I think yung mga puno ng niyog dito is mabata-bata pa, so matagal-tagal pang mapapakinabangan. It's so hot today. I already am sweating a lot right now. So anyway, ayan, ganyan yung itsura ng mga bunga ng niyog dito. Look, the weather is so nice, but it's too hot. Like legit, it is really hot today. Yeah, I think yung main source of income lang dito is yung puno ng niyog. Again, mga nasa more or less 300 coconut trees ang meron dito. Oh my god, I kinda wanna get one. Parang gusto ko ng coconut juice right now. So, I'm not really sure if kasama pa yung mga part na yun. I think kasama pa rin. Ganyan. Maganda yung lupa niya kasi, ayan, as you can see naman, walang masyadong matataas na damo dun sa part na maraming niyog. Right. I think meron namang bakod dyan. So, yeah, if you are, interested naman sa lupa, sa property, and if you want to visit the site, madali naman siguro makita yung boundaries niya. But I'm not really just sure kung hanggang saan yung boundaries since wala yung kasama namin or yung kasama ko na may alam sa property. So anyway, I think I've already said naman yung advantages ng property. Again, around 2 kilometers lang away from the national road. There are nearby beaches, there are nearby school. Again, maganda yung mga puno o yung mga tubo ng niyog, maganda yung magbunga. So, it's still very, convenient. And I think wala naman na kayong magiging problems when it comes to the papers, the documents. Alright. So I think that's it. Again, guys, if you have like any questions, any inquiries, do not hesitate to contact us through the phone numbers on the upper right side of the video. Again, this is Louis, one of your site locators today. Thank you so much and see you on our next vlogs. Bye!